Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, on the address bar, type in binance.com and click on Enter. You can see Login and Sign Up button at the top right corner of your screen. Click on Login button. Now, you will be directed to a login page. Here, you can enter your email address or your phone number and click Next to log into your account. You can also use the QR code to scan and log in directly from your phone. Or you can also have other options like continue with Google or with an Apple. I have created my account with my Google account, so I'm going to select continue with Google option. Select your account and you will be logged into your account. Here you can see that stay logged in option. By checking this box here, you can stay logged in for up to 5 days on this device. To revoke the process, log out of your Binance account on the device. After that, click on Yes button. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.